everyone. Today we're going to talk about another chapter in this book that I wrote, Everyday Maltese Phrases and Conversation for Real Life. You can find this is my second book. I already have this book, Speaking Maltese, A Guide to Embrace the Melodies of the Island. You can buy it from Amazon, both of them, or else you can buy it as an ebook. It will be sent to you via email. This book, I have also the audio for it. So if you buy it as an ebook, I will send also the audio with it. This one, no, this is the first one that I wrote. It has of the alphabet. You find the article about the Maltese plural, the Maltese language. This is the first one. I will leave a link. You can buy it from Amazon too, or you can buy it. I will send it to you via email. I will put a link for this too. But now, today, we're going to do a chapter from this book. I already have videos from these chapters from this book. And today we're going to do another chapter. So today we're going to do common phrases used by bus drivers and taxi drivers. We have many here in Malta, bus drivers, almost all are foreigners. So these are ideal for those who are on bus drivers and taxi drivers. So bus driver phrases, greetings and offering assistance. Hello, where are you going today? Hello, għalfejn illum? Hello, għalfejn illum? This is the bus to and the destination where it's going. For example, Nashar, Mosta, these are villages in Malta. Din il-linja tal-karozza għal Nashar, for example. Din il-linja tal-karozza għal Mosta. Please get on the bus quickly. Jekk jogħġbok, itla malajr fil-karozza tal-linja. Jekk jogħġbok, itla malajr fil-karozza tal-linja. The next stop is Nashar, for example. Il-wafqa li jmiss hija in-Nashar. Il-wafqa li jmiss hija il-Mosta. This is your stop. Din hija l-waqfa tiegħek. Din hija l-waqfa tiegħek. Please sit down. Jekk jogħġbok, poġġi bil-qiegħda. Jekk jogħġbok, poġġi bil-qiegħda. Do you need help with the luggage? Għandek bżonn għajnuna bil-bagalji tiegħek? Għandek bżonn għajnuna bil-bagalji tiegħek? The bus will depart in a few minutes. Il-karozza tal-linja se titlaq fi ftit minuti. Il-karozza tal-linja se titlaq fi ftit minuti. Fare and payment. You can pay when you get on the bus. Tista' tħallas meta titla fil-karozza tal-linja. Tista' tħallas meta titla fil-karozza tal-linja. You can buy a ticket from the machine. Tista' tixtri biljett mill-magni. Tista' tixtri biljett mill-magni. The fare is and the amount how much it costs. Il-prezz tal-biljett huwa Please keep your ticket with you. Jekk jogħġbok, żomm il-biljett miegħek. Jekk jogħġbok, żomm il-biljett miegħek. Travel information. The bus will be delayed for a few minutes. Il-karozza tal-linja se tittardja ftit minuti. Il-karozza tal-linja se tittardja ftit minuti. Please watch your step when getting off the bus. Jekk jogħġbok attent for a mail. Meta tinżel mill-karozza tal-linja. Jekk jogħġbok attenta for a female. Meta tinżel mill-karozza tal-linja. The bus will stop at the next traffic light. Il-karozza tal-linja se tieqaf fid-dawl tat-traffiku li jmiss. Il-karozza tal-linja se tieqaf fid-dawl tat-traffiku li jmiss. The bus is full at the moment. Il-karozza tal-linja hija mimlija bħalissa. Il-karozza tal-linja hija mimlija bħalissa. This is the last stop for today. Din hija l-aħħar wafqa għallum. Din hija l-aħħar wafqa għallum. Please make sure you have all the belongings. Jekk jogħġbok iċċekkja li ħadd kollox miegħek. Jekk jogħġbok iċċekkja li ħadd kollox miegħek. Taxi driver phrases now. Greetings and offering assistance. Hello, where would you like to go? Hello, fejn tixtieq tmur? Hello, fejn tixtieq tmur? I'm ready to take you to and the destination. Jien lest biex inwasslek għal. Jien lest biex inwasslek għal. Do you have a specific address? Għandek indirizz speċifiku? Għandek indirizz speċifiku? Please hop in. Jekk jogħġbok irkeb. Jekk jogħġbok irkeb. Sit back and relax. I'll take care of the driving. Irrilassa, is-sewqan fidejja. Irrilassa, is-sewqan fidejja. Fare and payment. The fare will be and the amount. Il-prezz se jkun amount. Il-prezz se jkun amount. Do you want to pay by card or cash? Tixtieq tħallas bil-karta tal-kreditu jew flus kontanti? Tixtieq tħallas bil-karta tal-kreditu jew flus kontanti? The fare is based on distance traveled. Il-prezz huwa bbażat fuq id-distanza. Il-prezz huwa bbażat fuq id-distanza. This is the total fare. Dan huwa l-prezz totali. Dan huwa l-prezz totali. Travel information. I'll take the fastest route to avoid traffic. Se nieħu r-rotta l-aktar qasira biex iżżomm il-moviment. Se nieħu r-rotta l-aktar qasira biex inżomm il-moviment. We'll be there in about. We'll be there in about. Se nkunu hemm f'madwar. Se nkunu hemm f'madwar. Please fasten your seat belt. Jekk jogħġbok, aqfel iċ-ċintorin tiegħek. Jekk jogħġbok, aqfel iċ-ċintorin tiegħek. There's a bit of traffic ahead. Hawn xi ftit traffiku. Hawn xi ftit traffiku. Are you comfortable? Qed komdu for a male. Qiegħda komda for a female. Do you need help with the luggage, with your luggage? Għandek bżonn għajnuna bil-bagalji tiegħek? Għandek bżonn għajnuna bil-bagalji tiegħek? We will stop at the next intersection. Se nifqu fil-karreġġjata li jmiss. Se nifqu fil-karreġġjata li jmiss. General conversations. It's a lovely day today, isn't it? Ġurnata sabiħa llum, hux? Ġurnata sabiħa llum, hux? Have you been to the place before? Ġieli mort qabel and the place. Ġieli mort qabel and the place. I know a good restaurant near here. Naf ristorant tajjeb hawn. Naf ristorant tajjeb hawn. Do you need a specific route? Għandek bżonn rotta speċifika? Għandek bżonn rotta speċifika? Thank you and have a great day. Grazzi u l-jum it-tajjeb. Grazzi u l-jum it-tajjeb. Phrases commonly used by a client on a bus or taxi. Getting on the bus or taxi. Does this bus go to and the destination? Din tal-linja tmur għal. Din tal-linja tmur għal. How much is the fare? Kemmu l-prezz tal-vjaġġ? Kemmu l-prezz tal-vjaġġ? I would like to go to. Nixtieq immur għal. Nixtieq immur għal. Do you have change for a 10 euro note? Għandek bqija ta' 10 euro? Għandek bqija ta' 10 euro? Can I pay by card? Nista' nħallas bil-karta tal-kreditu? Nista' nħallas bil-karta tal-kreditu? Is there a direct route to and the destination? Hemm xi rotta diretta għal. Hemm xi rotta diretta għal. Can I sit here? Nista' npoġġi hawn? Nista' npoġġi hawn? Can you take me to and the place? Tista' twassalni għal. Tista' twassalni għal. During the ride. How long will it take to get there? Kemm se tieħu biex tasal għal. Kemm se tieħu biex tasal għal. Please stop at the next stop. Jekk jogħġbok waqqaf fil-waqfa li jmiss. Jekk jogħġbok waqqaf fil-waqfa li jmiss. Could you drop me off at? Tista' tniżżilni fil. Tista' tniżżilni fil. Is it far from here? Huwa bogħod minn hawn. Huwa bogħod minn hawn. Can you go faster? Tista' ssuq iktar maġġel? Tista' ssuq iktar maġġel? I am in a hurry. Jiena maġġel for a male. Jiena maġla for a female. Can you take the shortest route? Tista' tieħu triq l-aktar qasira? Tista' tieħu triq l-aktar qasira? Can I open the window? Nista' niftaħ it-tieqa? Nista' niftaħ it-tieqa? When arriving. Stop here, please. Waqqaf hawn jekk jogħġbok. Waqqaf hawn jekk jogħġbok. How much do I owe you? Kemm għandi ntik? Kemm għandi ntik? I will pay in cash. Se nħallas bil-flus kontanti. Se nħallas bil-flus kontanti. Can I get a receipt, please? Can I get a receipt, please? Tista' tini l-irċevuta jekk jogħġbok? Tista' tini l-irċevuta jekk jogħġbok? Where do I get off? Fejn nista' ninżel? Fejn nista' ninżel? Is there another taxi or bus coming soon? Hemm tal-linja jew taxi oħra li ġejjin dalwaqt? Hemm tal-linja taxi oħra li ġejjin dalwaqt? General inquiries. What time does the last bus leave? X'ħin titlaq l-aħħar karozza tal-linja? X'ħin titlaq l-aħħar karozza tal-linja? Do you have a timetable? Għandek skeda tal-linja? Għandek skeda tal-linja? Is this the route, the right route to the airport? Din it-triq it-tajba lejn l-ajruport? Din it-triq it-tajba lejn l-ajruport? Can you recommend a good taxi service? Tista' tirrakkomanda servizz tajjeb tat-taxi? Tista' tirrakkomanda servizz tajjeb tat-taxi? Where can I find a taxi stand? Fejn nista' nsib post tat-taxi? Fejn nista' nsib post tat-taxi? So, we went through Chapter 6, Common Phrases used by bus drivers and taxi drivers. And as I told you, if anyone is interested in this book, you can find it as an ebook with the audio. I will send it directly to you via email, or you can find it on Amazon. On Amazon, you will only find this book without audio. I will leave a link in the description for this book, and also for those interested for my first book. I also have this the first book that I got. Also, you can find it on Amazon if you want, and you can find it. I can send it to you via email. I will leave a link for this book too in my description. Hope you found this video useful and you continue learning our beautiful Maltese language. Bye for now.